Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your car audio in 2025, today's video is perfect for you. We're reviewing the best 6.5-inch car speakers that bring clear highs, punchy bass, and incredible sound quality for your ride. Whether you want crisp vocals, deep lows, or just an all-around upgrade to your car stereo, these speakers are some of the top picks this year. Let's jump right in. For those who want a professional-grade upgrade, the Sony XS-162ES 6.5-inch mobile ES speakers are a fantastic pick. These two-way component speakers provide a clean, dynamic sound with excellent imaging. The ES series design ensures premium build quality and durability, while the tweeter and woofer combination delivers crisp highs and deep, controlled lows. Ideal for audiophiles and everyday listeners alike, the XS-162ES produces a balanced sound profile that makes every genre of music shine. If you want Sony reliability with a detailed, immersive listening experience, these speakers are an excellent choice. Starting strong with the Focal PS165FE Flax E VO, this 6.5-inch two-way component kit is designed for audiophiles who crave precision. With an RMS of 70 watts and a max of 140 watts, these speakers deliver a balanced and detailed soundstage. The flax cone technology ensures natural, mid-range, and crisp highs without distortion, making vocals and instruments sound lifelike. The separate tweeter and woofer allow for precise placement and stereo imaging, creating a rich and immersive in-car audio experience. If you value clarity and a refined musical sound, the Focal PS165FE is a top choice for high-fidelity listening in your vehicle. Next up is the JBL Club 64C, a 6.5-inch two-way component speaker system built for versatility and durability. Rated at 70 watts RMS and 210 watts peak, these speakers deliver punchy sound that works perfectly with most car stereos. With a sensitivity of 92 decibels and a wide frequency response of 55 Hz to 20 kHz, the Club 64C reproduces clear highs, detailed mids, and strong lows. Its 3-ohm nominal impedance ensures efficient power handling, while the design allows for easy installation. Whether you're cruising with your favorite playlist or pumping up the bass, these JBL speakers are reliable, powerful, and budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. The Pioneer TSA-652C is a 6.5-inch full-range speaker system built for clear, punchy sound. With enhanced bass response and balanced mids, these speakers provide a lively audio experience for all types of music. The tweeter and woofer design allows for smooth separation of highs and lows, creating a natural, full soundstage in your car. Easy to install, these speakers are compatible with most aftermarket head units and amps. If you want quality sound with minimal setup hassle, the Pioneer TSA-652C delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Finally, the Alpine R2-S65C offers 300 watts peak power and high-quality sound that's perfect for serious audiophiles. These 6.5-inch component speakers feature a two-way design that separates tweeters and woofers for precise imaging and clarity. The speakers produce tight bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs, making them ideal for immersive music listening. With rugged construction and Alpine's reputation for reliability, these speakers are built to last and handle high-powered systems effortlessly. If you're looking for powerful, detailed, and durable car speakers, the R2-S65C is a solid choice. And that's our list of the best 6.5-inch car speakers for 2025. Whether you want the refined sound of Focal, the reliable punch of JBL, or the powerful output of Alpine, there's a speaker here for every type of music lover. Which one would you pick for your car? Drop your choice in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car audio reviews and upgrades.